Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. You are watching InfoPack. Here we are learning about number system conversions. So let's start. In this lecture, you are going to convert decimal number into hexadecimal. To convert a decimal number into hexadecimal, we divide the number by 16 and record the remainder. Then divide the result of this division again by 16 and so on until the result of the division is 0. And after this, you will write all the remainders in reverse order. So let's see an example. Here is a number 374 and we have to convert this number into hexadecimal. So write the number and divide this number by 16 and the result is 23 and remainder is 6. Again divide this number by 16 and the remainder is 7. Write out all the remainders from down to up direction and the complete result is 176, that is now in hexadecimal form. Let's see another example. Here is a number that is 69610, that is in decimal form converted into hexadecimal. So first of all, write the number and divide this number by 16 and you will get the result, that is 4350, and remainder will be a, that is equal to 10. Again divide this number by 16 and the result will be 271 and the remainder is e, and again divide this number by 16. Now the remainder is 0 and write all these remainders from down to up direction, and now the final result is 10FEA. Let us consider another example, and now we are going to convert a decimal number that is in fractional form 17.72 into hexadecimal. So to convert a decimal number integer part 17 into hexadecimal, we divide the number by 16. So 16 ones are 16 and remainder is 1. And now we have to scan the remainders from down to up direction, that is 1 1. To get the hexadecimal of fractional part 0.72, we have multiplied this part by 16 and take the integer part before the decimal point as a result. Then the remaining fractional part will be again multiplied by 16. We perform this process till the fractional part become 0. So again multiply the 0.32 with 16. Here is answer, and fractional part is 0.12 and integer part is 5. Again we will continue this, and now answer is 1.92, fractional part is 0.92, integer part is 1. So we will continue this multiplication, and now notice that here 11.52 is repeating again. So we will stop here and write the fractional result. We will write all the integer parts from up to down direction. So the fractional part hexadecimal number is now 11.5851e, that is now in hexadecimal form. Now we are going to convert a hexadecimal number into decimal. So to convert a hexadecimal number into decimal, write down the number and list the power of 16 from right to left, and in step 3 each coefficient is multiplied by the corresponding power of 16, and after this add the result to obtain a decimal value and write the base subscript also. Here is an example. 1 multiply 16 plus 7 multiply 16, 6 multiply 16, and write the powers from right to left and solve these powers. 16 raised to power 0 will be 1. Write 6 here and 112, 256, and after adding these results we will get 374, that is now in decimal form. Let's see another example. And now we are going to convert a hexadecimal fractional number into decimal. So these are the places of this number. Before point, this is ones. After decimal point, tens, hundreds, thousands, and up to so on. For conversion of this number, To the decimal number system, each coefficient is multiplied by the corresponding power of 16 and added to obtain the decimal number. Here a multiplies 16 and 2 multiplies 16 raised to power minus 1. Because this is fractional part of the number and we have to write it in negative form. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and up to so on. So here f is 15 and c is 12. Solve these powers. Divide 2 by 16, 8 by 8 divided by 16, 15 divided by 16. So here will be the result and add all these values and the final result will be 10.1599 something. Add these both values and now the final result is 10.16 approximately. Be careful when students write these answer, they got confused. Whatever we have to put here, a plus sign or a point sign, so don't be confused. After adding these all values, write the final result here and add these both values also and you will get the result 10.16 approximately. Today you have learned how to convert a decimal number into hexa and a hexa number into decimal. And in next video you will learn the conversion of number system in octal, binary, hexa. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Take care. Allah Hafiz.